wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. You already know what time it is. We are going to be talking about the latest things that are launching, if anything is even worth discussing, let alone to pick up. So if you guys want to know, let's go. I'm doing laundry and I think the heat might be on, so if you hear anything in the background, I'm just gonna have to talk louder than I normally do in videos and hope that this all works out. Okay, so first thing I see here, of course, it's from ColourPop. Coming soon, new Muppets and ColourPop Cosmetics holiday collection. At this point, ColourPop isn't even putting out collections that they're coming up with. Every time I hear about something ColourPop is coming out with nowadays, it is a collaboration with some TV show, some movie, some person, some something. So we are really running out of ideas here. But they are collaborating with the Muppets, and it looks like what you would normally see in a ColourPop collection with Muppet packaging. Cute. It definitely does give Christmas holiday season if you are looking for any of that, but we've seen it 1,000 times. Okay, another ColourPop collection. This is with Marielle, I believe is how you say the name. I think she's a creator. Very pink and purple. I feel like you're going to get this if you are a subscriber, follower of that creator. Okay. Another collaboration with their sister, Kylie Cosmetics. They have collaborated with the Wizard of Oz. So the last time I did this video, I want to say she was collaborating with Batman. Now it's the Wizard of Oz. Packaging is very cute. I mean, it makes sense with the Wizard of Oz, but I didn't like the Wizard of Oz enough to buy a makeup collection for it. So let's move on. New from Kayali, they have a new fragrance, limited edition vanilla royal sugared patchouli child. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. 64, launching on November 16th. Vanilla Royal is the intense take on the classic vanilla 28, blended in. Oh, okay, I thought it was like another type of vanilla, but it just seems like, you know how brands will do My Way and then My Way Intense? It seems like this is the intense version of vanilla 28, but I usually do like the intense version more than I do the regular one, and the regular one is already pretty strong scented. So I'm definitely gonna smell this to see. Well, yeah, I was gonna say, but you gotta buy it because at least I don't see Kayali in Sephora stores. So it's giving I would have to buy a mini version, see if I like it, and then try the full version. But when I try this, y'all already know. It's one of my favorite fragrance houses, so yes. Nimya by Nikki Tutorials, Nimya. I guess she has her own brand now. I mean, finally. How long has Nikki Tutorials been doing this? I'm not sure if it's her company though, or oh no, it is her company. Nimya, I'm not sure of the pronunciation, by Nikki Tutorials, and they're coming up with their first eyeshadow palette. It looks like a Natasha Denona palette from the packaging and stuff like that. But not gonna lie, I would have thought the first eyeshadow palette by Nikki Tutorials would have been a little bit more colorful. But it seems on brand for her. It looks cute. Will I try it? Probably not. I have literally not scrolled past anything that's not ColourPop or Kylie Cosmetics. Dose of Colors, their Glam to the Nines collection it's already launched. It looks like 2 little 3x3 eyeshadow palettes, some lip colors. Dose of Colors has really good lip products. You guys remember that collaboration with Nima? Still have that. But anything in this collection, I don't see anything that would make me stop scrolling. Anything. Okay. New from Makeup by Mario, the Ethereal Eyes eyeshadow palettes. Mario's first multi-finish eyeshadow palette with 12 shades in suede matte, natural metallic, and glossy shimmer finishes. Price is $68. No. I'm looking at it. That one brown shade that says Mario is the only one where I'm like, ah. And then I look at the rest of the palette and I'm like, oh. But I'm sure makeup artists would love this. It's giving very much wedding, prom, eyeshadow type that people usually go for those events. So they would probably like it. I don't know anything about, because I still need to do that video of like I tried makeup on Mario so you don't have to. So maybe if I do end up doing that video, then I'll end up trying it. I mean, it's cute. It's just not giving, you know, like I want to go get it. New from Fenty Skin, meet their Watch Your Tone Niacinamide Dark Spot Serum. It's already launched. I haven't had the greatest of times with Fenty Skin, but I haven't had like bad times. I saw people who were like, it did this to me, it did that to me. I can't say it did any of that, but like the skincare products, you know, I tried the SPF, they had a cleanser, all that stuff. It didn't really do it for me. If anything, the body care that Fenty Skin has come out with is what I've liked. The exfoliator, the body butter, that stuff has been good. So this is one of those I would have to see other people try it out first. And then they might get my coin. Will they get my coin? Maybe. Maybe at some point. But like, let me go out and get it right now. Not so much. Okay, MAC Cosmetics has a new collaboration for the upcoming release of Wakanda Forever. That looks like one of their highlighters, which y'all know I don't really do highlighter anymore. Beautiful. I love the fact that, you know, the Black Panther is like, y'all know what I mean, like in the actual product, but like you're not gonna get me on cute packaging. You're not. First one came out, maybe you would have got me. This one, are things just not launching? Maybe let me try a different page, because like this can't be it. I was about to say, like, hello, what is going on? They just haven't been posting that much. Essence has a new holiday 2022 Cookies for Santa collection. There's a lip balm, a lip beautifier, a lip scrub, a baked highlighter, a bracelet, an ear stud kit. Okay, Essence is usually more, you know, on the affordable side. Very cute packaging. Do I see anything I would want to pick up? Maybe some of those it looks like makeup remover pads. Elf has their own versions, and then there's like the original company version. I'd probably pick those up because those are really good at remove. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna pick those up. Is it available now? It is available now. I'm definitely gonna pick those up because I like those to remove makeup. I do not know how to pronounce this brand, but this is their honey infused body oil. Rich in vitamins, minerals, and fatty acids that revive dry, tight skin while increasing elasticity. Delivers instant hydration for a smoother and firmer look. Hydrates firm. What's the price? 45, but that's in euro. I'm intrigued. I've been really into body oils lately. I don't know why. I went back to the Necessaire one because that K-Skin one, I don't like how it feels on. I'm intrigued by this. I know I've seen this brand before. I don't know where you would pick it up though. But once I figured out, would I try this? Yes, I would. Sol de Janeiro has a hand cream now. Okay. Oh, but it looks like it's the scent of that Touch Shirosa 71. I purchased that before because everyone was like, oh my god, it smells so good, it smells so good. I did not like how it smelled as a body spray. So if the hand cream smells like it, I probably won't like it either. But I'd be willing to, like, you know, test it out, like smell it in store, and then if I liked it, then I would try it. Maybe. It retails for $16. Available now. Make It Spice Black Girl Sunscreen, SPF 30 Face Lotion Body Spray Duo, and infused with pumpkin extract and spices to provide a dewy finish with no white residue. Perfect for the fall and winter time, $24.99. Y'all know I love me some Black Girl Sunscreen. I've got the matte version, the original, the one that comes in a little spray can for your body. I guess this is like their pumpkin spice version of it. I don't have that one though. No, I don't have, hit my own lip. I don't have the body spray. I knew. I like how pumpkin, it depends. It depends on the pumpkin spice scent on if I like it or not. I'd be willing to like spray it and see. It has me intrigued. I did not know they had a body spray. But now I'm intrigued. They might get my money. They might. No, really, like why are all these pages pretty much just like ColourPop and Kylie Cosmetics posts? Okay, finally, something new. Available now, Super Stay Up to 24-Hour Hybrid Powder Foundation from Maybelline. Medium to full coverage makeup, matte finish, delivers up to 24 hours of super staying power, sweat resistant, water resistant, and transfer resistant. 16 shades. Now look at the shades. Okay. I'm still intrigued though. Let me know if y'all would want a video on that because I am intrigued. Oh, okay. New Color Fluid Ultra Matte from Hindash Cosmetics. Matte liquid pigments that can be used anywhere on the face. Blend on the eyes, cheeks, and lips for full monochromatic looks. Use alone for bold color impact or mix in with base products and balms for a custom finish. A little goes a long way. $25 each. Those colors. Now, I don't know what the formula would be on using them. I would probably use them as lip products, but you could use them as blush or eye colors. But the colors have me intrigued. And I've never tried this brand before. I've heard about it, but I've never tried the brand before. Yeah, I would try this. It's only $25. What is this? HNB. What is that? What is HNB? I don't know what HNB Cosmetics is, but they have a new Luminous Soft Focus Airbrush Foundation. It looks thick from the swatches. It looks like words are escaping me. The shade range, ooh, is there a little bit, you know. It seems evened out-ish. But I don't know what this brand is. That's where we are when it comes to makeup. I either don't know what the brand is now, it's an indie brand, or I do know the brand and I'm just looking at it like, you could have kept this. I'm intrigued though. I might need to find out a little bit more about the brand because with my luck, it'll end up being some brand owned by someone that I do not want to give my money to, and I'm like, oh. So before I get my hopes up, I'll find out what that brand is about. Ooh, a new foundation from Chanel. Now y'all know I have not put that foundation down from Chanel since I picked it up at Ulta. This is a lightweight foundation with buildable light to medium coverage for a glowing, healthy, and luminous look, and a brush. But it retails for $135 and comes in 13 shades. Baby, I'm gonna have to finish out that one because $135 for this foundation. I don't even know how it looks like it's that type of moussey formula. I really like the other one, so I wanted to, but $135. The most I've paid for a foundation, however much that La Mer foundation costs, I think it's like what, $150? No, that La Mer foundation is like $180. But that's the most I've ever paid. Let me know. Let me know if y'all would want to see a video on that, and I'll see what we can do. Okay, have not heard about CoverGirl in a good minute. Available now, their Clean Fresh Yummy Gloss, infused with hyaluronic acid, black elderberries, bouncy looking lips, non-sticky. $7.98 each. Packaging is very cute. They could get me on packaging. It's only $7. And I see some of the, you know, pinkier shades. Y'all know I love me a gloss. I would pick at least one up, and it looks like one that the type that like they would smell good as well. It says scented, so yeah, I'd try one. And you know what? I think we should maybe just like end it there because this isn't going well, and I really don't understand the state of makeup launches right now. Yes, everyone's gonna say everything's been done before and all that stuff, but like these are brands that had already existed. Some of them, you know, they're brands that our mothers used them, our grandmothers used them. Like, what were you doing before? I don't remember the launches being this cringy before. So, but also again, like they weren't launching things every other month. And you see the brands that be minding their business. They launch when they want to launch. People still talk about it when they launch. Lancome, NYX, NARS, stuff like that. Be more like that, all right? Because y'all giving me, you know, Lizzie McGuire, The Wizard of Oz, Batman, like just be having just flashbacks. Now when I watch TV, like, oh my god, am I gonna see like 18,000 Euphoria collections now because y'all have run out of ideas on what to do? It's not. We need to go back to the drawing board before the end of this year to fully plan out what we're going to do next year because y'all not taking this into next year, okay? Tired of it. I want makeup to be fun again. I want things I could actually be excited to try again. This ain't it. All right, y'all, so that is it for new launches. Let me know in the comments down below if there are any new launches I didn't see, that you did see, that you think I should check out. Let me know what you think about the launches that I talked about in this video. Just let me know. Okay, make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!